morning, students. So what I wanted to go over with you is our agenda for the week. So every week on the stream before I leave on Friday, I post our agenda. So you'll notice it by weeks, week 6 agenda. I've also started putting it in classwork under the designated week. So this week is week 6, so you'll notice today's assignment, but before I left, I also posted our agenda. This agenda is going to help you understand what your Zoom schedule is for this class for this week, and it changes every week, so you have to make sure you check it and write these dates down. So when you click on the agenda, it'll show you basically every day that you have an assignment posted and you must do your check-in. So those things really don't change because that'll be an everyday thing. But the red letters here are your Zoom schedule, and the dates will be up here and reminders at the bottom. Now, for instance, for Monday, live Zoom, attendance expected. Usually our Zooms don't last the full 2-hour class. Usually you have plenty of time to get your independent practice completed. But when it says live Zoom, that does mean that you're expected on the Zoom if possible. I have started putting videos in with the assignments in case you have to miss the Zoom and you'll still kind of understand the assignment. But these are days when I would expect you to be in our Zoom with us on time. Okay, whatever time your class period begins. Now notice this week for Tuesday, it'll say live Zoom, attendance expected again, but this one's only for the first 15 minutes of class. So that usually means that I have something important that I need to go over about the assignment, but for the most part it should be self-paced. So if you see something like that, again, you want to make sure that you're there for that first 15 minutes of class because we don't want to miss that time slot. Now, I'm still available for you if you need to Zoom or you need to ask me questions, but my Zoom will end after that first 15 to about 30 minutes if needed. So just keep that in mind. So if you ever need to Zoom and my Zoom is already over, send me an email saying that you would like to Zoom, or you can also just ask questions on Google Classroom or via email, which plenty of you have done. So whatever works best for you. Okay. Then on Wednesday, you'll notice that this Zoom is for the first 15 minutes for questions, but it's not required. So on days like that, what's expected of you is to get to your Google Classroom before class starts. You'll want to open your assignment, look through it, read all the directions, make sure you understand it. If there's a video, the expectation is that you watch the video first. After doing those things, if you still are unsure, have questions, or want me to read something to you, that's when you would get onto the Zoom for that first 15 minutes. Because I end it after the 15-minute mark does not mean that you can't request one, but the only way to request it would be to send me an email or get onto your Google Classroom and ask as well. Okay, Thursday of this week, you'll notice is the same as Tuesday. It's a live Zoom for at least the first 15 minutes of class. So when it says live Zoom, it means that your attendance is expected if possible. And then Friday of this week is an independent learning day. So I will not have a Zoom on Friday unless you send me an email requesting one. That means that the assignment should be self-paced. There will be videos or directions to guide you. But again, I'm still available if needed. Now, this changes every week, so you want to keep checking it to make sure you understand it because you want to show up when you're supposed to and get there early when you're supposed to watch videos in case you have questions, or if it's an independent learning day, you don't want to sit there in the waiting room when the Zoom will not start. So it's important that you follow these agendas and you look at them every single week. So again, I post mine on Friday before I leave, so around 3 to 3:30 it would be posted. At the latest, it would be posted on a Sunday, but I usually try to get it done on a Friday. If you guys have any questions about the agenda, please let me know, and I hope you'll have a great day.